right, guys. Hi. I'm going to show you how I take a piece of gift tissue that I've purchased at the Dollar Tree. Regular white gift tissue. You can get it anywhere pretty much. Any store or anything like that. And then what I do is I just take a regular sheet of computer paper, which is right here, and I make multiple pieces of this at one time. But I'm just going to show you the one. And then I cut it out shorter than I cut pieces out that are less large than the computer paper itself. And what I do is I just take Scotch tape and I secure it. Whoops. I secure it to the computer paper. And that's pretty much it. I like it to be flat as possible. And I'm just going to go all the way around the edges, and I'm going to secure this down. You don't have to go all the way around the edges. Usually the top or the bottom is enough, or the top and the bottom is enough for anything like this. And you can use this, you can print on napkins, regular tissue box tissues. For decoupage, I find that gift tissue is really a great paper to print on because it's sturdier than a tissue or a napkin, and it's very, very thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this through my printer. I'm going to print my my picture of my bunnies onto this, and I'm going to write gift tissue on here so I know what it is. And I'm going to make a whole bunch of these so that when I'm printing out my images, if there's a mistake or something like that, I can just reinsert it into my printer and print on a new sheet. Sometimes that happens. It's not always like an exact science to make these sheets of paper. Sometimes the ink runs into like little patches and stuff like that, and the prints don't come out that good. But I find that on gift tissue, it comes out really good. That happens more so with like napkins or tissue. So I'm going to feed this into the rear tray of my printer, and that's it. I just wanted to show you this very quickly. As I said, you can do this with all kinds of papers, napkin, tissue, paper towels even. Paper towels come in layers and you can print on those. But for any kind of decoupage project, you want to print on a thin paper. Okay, thank you for joining me. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks. See you in the next one.